Role of vitamin E. Tocopherol is a powerful antioxidant that neutralizes free radicals, thus protecting our body's cell membranes from oxidative stress. These cells can be those of neurons, skin, or even eyes. Studies on the benefits of vitamin E are numerous but often contradictory. Furthermore, vitamin E is often used in cosmetics for its antioxidant capabilities, helping to slow down skin aging. But to benefit from all its benefits, it is necessary to know your needs and know how to meet them. Vitamin E requirements. In addition to the age and condition of the person, the needs depend on the diet. The requirements are 10 mg per day for adult men and 9 mg per day for adult women. In children, they vary between 4 and 9 mg per day. To ensure you are providing your body with the sufficient amount, turn to foods that contain vitamin E. Foods rich in vitamin E. The foods richest in vitamin E are those that contain good fatty acids, particularly oils and oil seeds. So, to meet your daily needs, add sunflower oil, cod liver oil or even virgin olive oil to your plate. Eat almonds. Hazelnuts. Oil seeds in puree form are also a good source of vitamin E. Hazelnut puree, etc. To ensure you are providing your body with the sufficient amount, turn to foods that contain vitamin E.